So here we have the final device as far as look and feel is concerned for the Blackberry Passport. So this is how the Blackberry Passport will look like in the black color, whereas the white color will also have the same kind of finishing. We have matte finishing over there at the back on the black Blackberry Passport. So this part over here, this is actually a sticker which can be removed, and it will have the same kind of finishing just like this part. When it comes to the white as well, the white will also have a rubberized matte finish. This one also have a rubberized matte finish. In terms of the look and feel, this device looks great. In terms of the overall build quality, this device is very good, and it does not bend. Even if you apply extreme amount of pressure, it does not bend. Even the display will flex a bit, but it will come back to the main position after you actually release it. So this is how it will basically work, and there is no issues with this device as far as the build quality is concerned. Talking about the specification, this device has 32 GB of internal storage and around 3 GB of RAM, which makes this device fairly responsive and fast enough in terms of the day-to-day usage. I can go to the settings, I can show you some of the information about this device as far as hardware is concerned, as far as other things are concerned, and for that I need to slide down to notification center. We have these all toggles over there, and I can go to the settings directly from here. You have toggles for the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, brightness. You do have support for automatic brightness as well on this device, and this is where the settings we have on this device. When it comes to the storage, I can show you the storage information as of now on this device. I need to locate that. Again, here we have the storage information, and on the storage information we can see that out of 32 GB, around 7.2 GB is being used, and we have fairly good amount of storage available on this device. And when it comes to the SD card support, again SD card is not supported on this device, but you do have support for OTG. So OTG does work on this device. You can actually use an OTG flash drive to connect this device with, and then you can browse the contents of the flash drive onto this particular phone. We do have other options over there like app manager. Again, this device will also come with default application manager, which will be the kind of Amazon App Store basically, where you can actually install more application from Android. Amazon App Store, which has Android applications, so you can actually install Android applications as well. You do have support for location access as well, so you can use this device for GPS navigation as well whenever you would like to use that. Again, Google Maps does not work on this device, so you cannot install that. When it comes to other options, we do have this device connection and data management over there. Let me just show you the display settings, and under the we are in the data management. So basically data management allow you to monitor the kind of usage you have done on this device. This is how you can actually monitor how much data you have used and on which day you have used data more and which days were slightly different. So we have the option over here to set the wallpaper. We have support for brightness. Automatic brightness is also supported, and you also have the option of swipe to wake up. So if you do a swipe on the screen, the device will wake up, and you do have some extra options over there. As far as BlackBerry ID is concerned, we have quick settings over there which can allow you to customize the overall device functionality as far as rotation lock is concerned. So you can control over the rotation lock, you can disable these functionality, you can actually have these toggles for the torch, for notification, for alarm. So you can disable and enable these toggles over here, especially which appear on the notification center. This is how you can actually come back. And again, the kind of UI which has is the same which we have seen on the other BlackBerry phones recently, but again the icons are looking better. The overall functionality of the device is much more responsive. You do have the option of taking a look over the photos which you have taken from the device. You do have the option of recording high definition video but at 60 fps. You do have a browser over there as well. You have Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn application which will come pre-installed. You also have Evernote application which will come pre-installed. You have Blackberry Blend, which is a new feature on this device, and this is the Blackberry Blend which actually brings up the experience to your computer or tablet. So in case you want to use this device with your computer through wireless display, through USB or through Wi-Fi, you can actually connect it to the PC, and then you can use your Blackberry Passport from your desktop. And this is something which is a new application, or which is a new feature actually, which comes on this particular device. We have the phone dialer over there. We have an assistant as well. This search assistant is actually a kind of voice-based assistant. It can take your voice commands, it can schedule your appointments, it can send an email. If you would like to narrate an email over the voice, you can do that. You can reply to an email over the voice with the voice commands as well. You can send a BBM message, you can reply to a text message, you can create a note. So all these things you can actually do as of now, but no other functionality apart from these will be available as of now with this particular functionality which is there. And this is called Search Assistant, which is there on this device, which 10.3, and other devices will also get 10.3 very soon. You do have tutorials over there which allows you to actually see how you can use this device. So when it comes to typing experience is pretty good on this device. You do have compass sensor as well, so compass can also be used on this device in case you would like to use that. So in all, this device is a pretty good device. The kind of build quality it has is very nice. The kind of hardware it has is also pretty good. As far as exact hardware configuration is concerned, I can tell you the exact hardware configuration of this device, which includes a Qualcomm MSM8974 AA Snapdragon 800 chipset. You have quad-core 2.26 GHz carried 400 core CPU. It is a quad-core CPU, and we have Adreno 330 as the GPU. Again, with this hardware configuration, it can actually play any high-definition game without any issues. The front camera over here, which is a 2 megapixel camera, can record high-definition video at 720p, whereas the rear camera can record high-definition video at 1080p. Talking about the front camera feature, we do have a face detection and other things as well. On the camera department, I can show you the camera interface over there, and over here we can see that there are some camera options. Again, it can store the data on the media card as well, and it can geotag the photos as well. So over here we have the camera options, and I can show you that when it comes to these kind of options, you do have the option of doing a bus shot. You have a panorama mode supported as well, and when we go to the video mode, I can show you the video settings as well. So right now the video has been is actually getting recorded from this device, and again you can stop the video, but you cannot pause the video. You can enable and disable the flashlight directly while doing the video recording, which is a good thing. But when it comes to resolution at which it can record high definition video at 1080p, but not at 30 fps. It is going to be 60 fps for this device as of now. And we do have smart text also supported. So NFC chip is also there inside this device, so you can actually use NFC functionality. You can transfer data with other devices with the help of NFC, and all that you can actually do. So in all, this is a pretty good device which has accelerometer sensor, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, and compass sensor as well. In terms of the overall build quality, this is one of the good devices you can buy. Especially this device is not targeted for the consumer, but again it can be used for the business people out there. Business people do see a lot of usage for this device. They have a big screen to be used. It has a 4.5-inch high definition kind of a display. The exact resolution is 1440 into 1440, which gives you around 453 pixels per inch density on this 4.5-inch display diagonal, and it supports 10-point multi-touch, and the weight of the device is around 194 grams. So weight is something which is slightly heavy for this device, but in case you're using this device, what they have advised is that you use this device with two hands. One-handed usage of this device is again not going to be that great, but you can always type on this device with one hand as well. Apart from this, we talk about the thickness. Thickness is around 9.3 millimeter, and in all, this is a pretty good device, the kind of device you're looking for. This device can actually give you the kind of performance in case you are looking for a best BlackBerry device, especially for business usage. You can go for this one. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. As far as ports and connectivity is concerned, we have the ports over there. On the top, we have 3.5 audio jack. We have the power and sleep key over there. We have the play and pause button over there. Volume rockers are on the top as well as at the bottom. And the edge is again plastic, but good quality plastic has been used. At the bottom, we have micro USB port for data syncing and charging. We have a primary microphone over there, and we do have a secondary microphone over here on this device. And this device does have more than 2 microphones. So in terms of the overall noise cancellation, it can do a pretty good noise cancellation from while doing the video recording or while doing the video chat. So all that is possible. On the front, we can see we have the nice metallic earpiece. We have the 2 megapixel fixed focus camera, and over here we have the QWERTY keyboard, which is a very good keyboard in terms of the build quality you can expect. It has a very good tactile feedback as well whenever you tap on any of the keys. So it gives you a great tactile feedback whenever you tap on these keys. And again, these keys does have these option of whenever you are typing on this device. For example, if I'm typing over here on the web, and if I'm typing something in the address bar, it will give you these suggestions. So you have these suggestions which you can actually type by just doing a flick. So this is how you can actually type on this device. Typing is not an issue, but one-handed usage of the device might be an issue for many people out there. This device also very slightly heavy, especially for one-handed usage. In case you have any questions, you can like this video. This video help you by clicking the like button below. Okay, in case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. And again, in case this video helped you, you can like this video by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.